the hell? You guys see that Silverado? Oh yeah, right now I'm just gonna go to the bank, and then I got wingstop. I'm gonna pick up my food, and then I'm gonna head back home. Honestly, since it's cloudy, I do want to record more. Also do just kind of want to take pictures of my car, especially, you know, especially since it's cloudy. I do want to take pictures. Actually, I think later on in the day, or like in a little bit, I might just go out and then do the walkthrough of the whole car, everything that I've done. Actually, I think I might do that. Because yeah, it's literally perfect weather. It's super nice outside. It's cloudy. It's literally the perfect day to film. And you know, especially here in the desert where like it never gets cloudy, or it's always sunny, it never gets cloudy, usually never rains. Tomorrow's gonna rain like 100%, like pretty much like all day, and then it's gonna rain on Sunday and Monday and Tuesday. So like, you know, for me, for like living in the desert, you know, that's like really rare. Like, you know, that never happens. Well, yeah, you know, you just gotta take advantage of this, film as much as possible, you know. Traffic won't hurt us, you know. Shit. This guy is wasting no time, and with this tailgate open too. Like, come on, man. Alright, now what the hell's going on? Where the hell is the wingstop? Because this place just opened, it's at. It said it's inside the O'Reilly, but like obviously it's not inside of an O'Reilly, so it's gonna be like more over there. We're just gonna have to see where it's at. Target. We'll just go through here. Little Miata going through. Yeah, we'll just park. We'll just park right here. Why not? Alright, boom. Alright. I'll be right back. Alright. We are at the bank right now. Just got done with that. Got our food. Now it's time to go back home. Actually, no, I'm not gonna play music. I don't want to get copyrighted. I've had a few videos where I've gotten copyrighted, and you don't want that to happen. Make it? I don't think so. Oh, yes, we are. And a CNG Honda Civic. There's no way. Okay. Okay, wait, hold up. What the hell? Bro, what the hell is going on? What the? Anyways. CNG. Oh, there's no way that people still drive CNG Honda Civics. Because I remember, especially with the 8-gen and the 7-gen, especially. Right, the 7-gen, right? Yeah, 7-gen. You know, Honda was going, was doing this whole CNG. You know, this whole natural gas and all this other stuff. And I was a little baby when all this CNG stuff was going on. So I never really looked into it, like why it fell off, why you never pop off, like or it never could compete at the same level as like a normal gas car, internal combustion engine. I don't know if they were just super unreliable. I heard something about like a tank in the back of the car or something like that. I don't know, man. But honestly, it's still kind of cool, I feel like I'm really gonna contradict myself, but I feel like it's kind of cool that some people are still driving CNG cars. I've also seen like a few, like the Toyota Mirais with the hydrogen cars. I mean, it's like, you don't see those cars every day. I would say it's pretty cool that, like, every once in a while to see one. Well, where I live, the bus for like the little bus to transport everyone around town and stuff, the public bus, those are run actually by hydrogen, a hydrogen fuel cell. Literally says it right there, super bright on the fucking bus, big lettering, to let everyone know that their buses are powered by the hydrogen fuel cell, and all of that. And I mean, I don't know, I think it's kind of cool, especially now, in 2025, as I'm recording this, you see everywhere EVs everywhere on the road. Will I ever think EVs will ever take internal combustion engines? No. And then, like, all these new laws where, like, back in the past, like California, that by like 2030 or 20, somewhere around there, 2030, you're only going to be selling EVs and this and that. But it's just, we are still a long ways for EVs to, like, overtake internal combustion engines and just gas cars in general, in terms of, like, people having them, seeing them on the road and stuff like that. We're still a long way if EVs really do take off at that level, which, I mean, right now EV cells are really going bad for, not almost every manufacturer, but like most manufacturers are producing EVs, especially in Q3. EV cells have gone down significantly because of the EV tax credit thing. So I mean, and it's just, I don't know, I feel like this year a lot of people have started to like, a lot of people's opinions have changed on EVs, and it kind of seems like the market doesn't really want EVs right now, or like, they're not as desirable as they were a few years ago. I think a lot of people can agree on that. Of course, there are some few standout EVs that are more desirable than their gas engine equivalent, or but I mean, yeah, we'll see how the EV market is coming to next